Have you ever looked into the mirror and wondered, who is the person staring back at you? You have the same name, the same face, but are you really the same person you were 5 years ago? Or even yesterday? If everything about you changes over time, your body, your thoughts, your memories, then what is the real you? Welcome back to Spill Edge. In this episode, we dive into one of the oldest and deepest questions of all time. Who are you? Science, philosophy, and ancient wisdom have all tried to answer this question. Some say we are just a collection of thoughts and memories. Others believe there is something deeper, an unchanging essence beneath it all. Today, we'll explore what modern neuroscience, quantum physics, and Hindu philosophy have to say about the nature of the self. So let's begin. Imagine a wooden ship, the famous ship of Theseus. Over time, one by one, its planks are replaced. Eventually, not a single original plank remains. Is it still the same ship, or is it something new? Now apply this to yourself. Your body's cells are constantly regenerating every 7 to 10 years. Most of the cells in your body have been replaced. Your thoughts, experiences, and memories evolve. So if everything changes, what remains you? Neuroscientists argue that the sense of self is an illusion created by the brain. The brain forms a continuous narrative from scattered experiences, giving us the feeling of a stable identity. But just like a river is always flowing, yet still called the same river, are you just the ongoing thoughts and experiences that flow within you? The Upanishads provide an answer. Neti neti. Not this, not this. This means that you are not your body, nor your thoughts, not even your mind. So what are you? Hindu philosophy speaks of the Atman, the eternal self beyond all change. The Mandukya Upanishad describes 4 states of being: waking, dreaming, deep sleep, and turiya, the 4th state, which is of pure awareness beyond the mind and body. It suggests that our true self is not what we see or think, but the awareness that watches it all. Surprisingly, modern physics offers an interesting parallel. Some physicists believe that consciousness itself is fundamental to reality. Quantum experiments like the double slit experiment show that particles behave differently when observed. Could this mean that consciousness plays a key role in shaping the universe? If so, are you just a biological machine or something more? If our identity is always changing, can we ever find the real us? The great sages and modern thinkers suggest a path: awareness. The Bhagavad Gita teaches, Jnanena tu tad jnanam yesham nashitam atmanam. Knowledge destroys the ignorance of the self. In other words, when we understand what we are not, we get closer to understanding what we are. Neuroscientists studying meditation have found that when people quiet their thoughts, a deep sense of self-awareness emerges. This state, called meta-awareness, is when we become aware of our own consciousness. Could it be that we are not just our thoughts, not just our bodies, but the awareness behind it all? Sadhguru's meditation app also tells us to believe in the fact that we are not our body and we are not our minds, but we are something else. Could it be that we are maybe the Atman, something that is never destroyed and always remains constant? So who are you? A collection of memories? A constantly changing brain? Or something beyond, something timeless? The journey to understand the self is perhaps the most important journey of all. And remember, the one who seeks will one day find the answer. That's it for this episode of Tech, Dharma and the Future. If you enjoyed watching it, hit that like button. Also, subscribe to Spill Edge and turn on notifications so you never miss upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next episode. Until then, take care and see you next time.